All right, YouTube, this video, we've got a Master Lock Pro Series 6621. This takes a 1/2-inch cylinder, and this one happens to be quickset. And somebody had two of these on their shelf. They're pretty sure they were keyed the same, but the keys have been lost, so they just want a key made for it. So we're going to do that with the KW1 Lishi. Pick the lock, and then we'll decode it, and then I will run over to the Blitz, cut a key, we'll make sure that it works here. So with all Lishis here, we're going to make sure we insert it all the way in. And like all of my videos here, make sure we're actually focused. And then we're going to go through, apply some tension, and just look for binders. 2 kind of feels like it's binding, so I got a little click on 2. Okay, 4 is definitely binding. Click on 4. Okay, 5 is binding, click on 5. 2 set, so we're getting close here. Alright, so drop something, and I think I might have actually overset that. I'm going to leave 3 alone for right now and go look for what I dropped. Alright, something's going on with 3 here. Alright, well, I'm going to kind of... Yeah, 3 here, something. I think I overset 3. Alright, I got 3 just completely back to where it was when we started here, just by releasing a little tension and just holding the lifter on it. So 3 is ready to pick here, but let me see if anything else is too. Okay, so 3 and 4 are both ready to pick. Let me try to get 3 first here. Alright, click on 3. Tiny click on 4. Alright, we dropped 2 here, I think, when I reset 3. Big click on 2. Tiny click on 5. Okay, 4 just got to be the last one here. Nope, 5 again. So you don't want to release any tension on it because I don't want to drop anything. But yep, definitely need to get 5 picked, so there we go. Alright, so now we got the lock actually picked. Let me go ahead and just pop the shackle here to take tension off the cylinder so it won't spin back on me. And now from here we should be able to decode it. And so we're going to have a 5, 2, 4, 4. Let me write these down here. So 5, 2, 4, 4. And that's going to be a 5. All right, 5, 2, 4, 4, 5. I'm gonna go ahead and just spin that back to locked here. And I'm gonna head over to Blitz real quick. I'll cut a key, and then we'll try it out. All right, there's our key that we cut here, and we'll go and we'll test it out, make sure it works. And it works very nicely. So there you have it. Here it's a Master Lock Pro Series 6621, picked and decoded with the KW1 Lishi. Questions or comments, please leave them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.